here to present the awards for the favorite K-pop video. I was able to experience, the K-pop system. It was pretty intense and actually salute sa lahat ng mga K-pop artists dahil sobrang intense and very strict yung training nila. So bow down to these artists. And now here are the nominees for your favorite K-pop video.
Favorite K-pop video. Come Back Home. To Anyone. Eyes, Nose, Lips. Taeyang. Mr. Girls' Generation. Overdose. EXO. Still You, Donhae and Unya. The Mixed Music Awards 2015. Favorite K-pop video.
And now the Mixed Music Awards 2015 favorite K-pop video is... Come Back Home to Anyone. Now let's call Miss Aya Villarreal, International Strategic Label Executive of Warner Music Philippines, to accept 21's award.
Voted, and of course here's a video to thank all the fans who voted for 21.
Kamusta kayong lahat? Handa ka to! Nanalo daw kami sa Mixed Music Awards! Woohoo! In behalf of CL, Woman Winzy, thank you to all Black Checks who voted for us. This is our second time to win in this category. Ang galing niyo talaga. Sayang at hindi kami nakapunta, pero next time pupunta kami siya. At sana abangan nyo ang newest album ni CL at yung bago kong web drama na Dr. Ian. Abangan nyo yan, ha? Maraming salamat sa inyong suporta.